welcomes you at Dhare Science Academy, Vidyanagar, Karad. Interactive audio-visual lecture series of physics, chemistry, maths and biology subject for 11 and 12 science students. If you like our lecture series, then please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Welcome in Dhare Science Academy. Today we study about relationship between molar mass, density of substance and unit cell age length. तर यावरून आपल्याला डेन्सिटीसाठी जे डेरिव्हेशन आहे, इक्वेशन आहे ते डिराइव्ह करायचे. या आधीचे लेक्चर्स तुम्ही जर सिक्वेन्सने बघितलेले असतील तरच हा पॉइंट तुमच्या लक्षात येणार आहे. त्यामुळे आधीचे सगळे लेक्चर्स व्यवस्थित करा आणि त्यानंतर हा पॉइंट. यामध्ये जे इक्वेशन्स येणार आहेत त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड पुढे न्यूमेरिकल्स घ्यायचे आहेत आपल्याला. सो नाउ वी स्टडी अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मोलर मास, डेन्सिटी ऑफ सबस्टन्स अँड युनिट सेल एज लेंथ. फॉर दॅट फर्स्ट सपोज age length of unit cell is A. In previous lectures we also study about the age length. So age length of unit cell is A. Then volume of unit cell is A cube, because volume of unit cell is cube of age length and therefore volume of unit cell is A cube while age length is A. If M is mass of one particle, unit cell consists n particles. Therefore, mass of unit cell is mass of one particle multiplied by n. It is equation 1. That number of particles n in unit cell are calculated in previous lectures. For example, in simple cubic unit cell there is only one particle. In body centered cubic unit cell there are two particles, while in face centered cubic unit cell there are four particles. So if mass of one particle is m, then mass of two particles is 2m, three particles is 3m. Similarly, mass of n particles are m into n. We know the formula for density. If rho is density of unit cell, then we know the formula of density, that is density is equal to mass upon volume. It is density of unit cell, so it is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. We know that mass of unit cell is m into n. Therefore, rho is equal to m into n and volume of unit cell is given by A cube. So rho, that is density, is equal to m into n divided by volume of unit cell A cube. It is equation number 2. Now if capital M is molar mass of substance, then molar mass is equal to mass of one particle multiplied by number of particles in 1 mole. We study the concept of 1 mole in 11th standard. 1 mole means number of particles present in 12 gram of C12 isotope, and that number is always constant and which is known as the Avogadro's number. Therefore, we can write molar mass m is equal to mass of one particle is given by small m, and number of particles in 1 mole, that means Avogadro's number, that is Na. By rearranging this equation, we get m is equal to capital M upon Na. So here we get the value of small m. Now this value of small m is substituted in equation 2. So putting this value in equation 2, we get, in this equation 2, substitute the value of m, that is m upon n. So that equation becomes rho is equal to, value of m is capital M upon Na. So m upon Na multiplied by n upon a cube. It is equation 2. In this equation, we substitute the value of m, that is m upon Na. So that equation becomes rho is equal to m upon Na into n upon a cube. So this equation gives us value for the density. It is equation number 3. We can rearrange this equation. Therefore, m, capital M, that is molar mass, is equal to rho into a cube into Na divided by n. It is equation 4. That means if these 4 parameters are known, then we can calculate the density. If we know these 4 parameters, then we can calculate the molar mass. Therefore, if any 4 parameters are known, then we can determine the value of 5th parameter by using this equation number 3 or equation number 4. Now, from these equations, we can further calculate the number of particles in unit cell, the number of unit cells in x gram of metal crystal. So further we calculate the number of particles, number of unit cells in x gram of metal crystal.